All right, once you're done with the Natives in America activity with the annotations and everything, now I want you to open up Comparing the Native Americans. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take that information that you pulled out and we're going to go ahead and compare the three different groups. So let's open up that assignment. And here we go. For part one, you're going to use those annotations, all right, and that we got from the Natives in America, and we're going to compare the groups. So based off geography, so I'm going to go back to my page here, find what I put down for geo features. Okay, so let's see, geo features was right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Okay, go back to my page. That was Eastern Woodlands. And let's go ahead and let's paste it there. All right. So that is the Eastern Woodlands. All right. So now I'm going to go back and take a look at maybe my Great Plains. All right. So I would go back to my Great Plains. They have a vast area of treeless grasslands. All right, that's their geography. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to paste it down here for the Great Plains. All right, so now again, then we're going to look for the Southeastern. Go to Southeastern. All right, let's see. So what are their region? Coastal footer plains, valleys, mountains, swamps. All right. So this is now what I want for my geography features. And then we're going to paste them right there. All right, so now that we have our three different features, do they have anything in common? All right, anything at all? That is now what we're looking at. Are they similar? Are they the same? All right, so I can see here that there's endless forest. All right, there's mountain area, valley, swamps, and this has no trees. Okay, it's just grasslands. All right, so with all that, I don't see anything in common with these three different groups when it comes to their geography features. All right, so you do not have to worry if you don't see anything in common. You don't have to worry about filling in these boxes. All right, because they might not. All right, but that is it. All right, and you're going to continue this for the next three activities. Okay, for climate, food source. All right. And for the types of resources and stuff. Now, when you're done with that, okay, now you got to think of a paragraph. Now we're going to have to choose two. I want you to choose two of the native groups up here. You can choose the Eastern Woodlands and Southeastern, or you can choose the Great Plains and any of the other groups you want to. So any three combination, any two, okay? So how did they explain how they adapted to their surroundings? So here are some questions that I want you to think about as you were writing. You need the answering. So how did they use their land? All right, you got to answer that for both groups. All right, or how did they construct? Where did they construct their homes from? Were they the same material? Were they different? Why are they using those materials? All right, did they wear the same clothing? Why or why not? Did they have the diet consists of the same foods? Do they produce the foods the same way? So these are all questions that you could be answering that will help you, guide you to explain how they adapted to their surroundings, these two different Native American groups. All right, and this is the last activity for today. Remember, you also have an exit slip too, so make sure you get that done, and then you will get credit for showing up to class today. All right, again, if you have any questions, please email me, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Good luck.